Every time she sneezes, she teleports to a random place in the world for a few minutes. Just imagine sneezing in your living room and suddenly finding yourself in the bustling streets of Tokyo or the serene beaches of the Maldives. This bizarre phenomenon has turned her life into a series of unexpected adventures and challenges, as she never knows where she'll end up next. She could be in the middle of a business meeting one moment and trekking through the Amazon rainforest the next. With each sneeze, she experiences new cultures, climates, and sometimes even danger, making every moment unpredictable. How would you handle the thrill and chaos of never knowing where a simple sneeze might take you?